I'm Haley from Food Korea. Today, I'll be making kimchi fried rice. If you want to watch the ASMR version, please click on the top right corner. First and foremost, I'll reveal 2 secret ingredients to upgrade the taste. Number 1, green onion oil. Fry green onions in heated oil to infuse the flavor into the oil, enhancing richness of the dish. Number 2, oyster sauce. The only sauce chosen today is oyster sauce, which will deliver much more delicious taste than any other seasoning. Now, let's get started. Finely chop the green onions. Slice the onions and kimchi into similar sizes. If the kimchi is not yet fermented, add vinegar. If it's too ripe, add a bit of sugar to balance the flavor. I'm using butcher-cut bacon, which is less greasy than regular bacon, giving lighter taste. For sausages, any brand is fine, but please use 100% beef sausages. I used bacon and sausages, but you can also use spam or ham. Once the avocado oil is heated, add green onions and stir to prevent from burning. Then add the bacon and sausages. You can also use pork belly instead, and if you do, add soy sauce and sugar at this point. Add sliced kimchi and onions. Our video is edited so it may seem quick, but make sure to take time and stir fry thoroughly after adding each ingredient. Now, add today's special sauce, oyster sauce. Stir fry well to blend the sauce with other ingredients. Add the rice. I recommend using cold rice because they mix better than hot ones. Prepare cold rice beforehand by scooping rice into a bowl and setting it aside. Though it may not mix well at first due to the slightly hardened rice, it will blend well after stirring a bit and applying more heat. Scoop kimchi fried rice into a bowl first and then flip it back into a serving plate. It will give you a beautiful round shape. Finish by adding a fried egg and salad. There are many different ways to make kimchi fried rice, but on our Food Korea channel, we wanted to show you how we enjoy it. If you want to watch the next video for more recipes, please like and subscribe. I wish you a happy cooking day and see you in the next video.